The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. General. Article 87. Special Address by the President. 1. At the commencement of the first session after each general election, to the House of the People, and, at the commencement of the first session of each year, the President shall address both Houses of Parliament assembled together, and inform Parliament of the causes of its summons. 2. Provision shall be made by the rules regulating the procedure of either House for the allotment of time for discussion of the matters referred to in such address.